Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Ulta Beauty affiliate program for makeup and skincare commissions step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Ulta Beauty affiliate program website. On the home page, locate the login button, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. You will now see fields for your username and password. Enter your registered email address in the username field. Next, type your password into the designated password field. Ensure that your information is entered correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you have filled in both fields, look for the login button and click it. Wait for a moment as the system processes your login request. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your affiliate dashboard. In case you encounter an error, double-check your email and password for any typos. If you've forgotten your password, select the Forgot Password link to reset it. Follow the instructions provided in the reset email to create a new password. After successfully logging in, explore your dashboard to access resources and tools. Familiarize yourself with the available commission structures on makeup and skincare products. Utilize the dashboard to track your performance and earnings as an affiliate. Now you are ready to start promoting Ulta Beauty and earning commissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.